The first showing of your property did not happen at the open house. It already happened online. Real estate websites have changed everything about how buyers find property. 30 years ago, buyers discovered homes by driving through neighborhoods, looking for yard signs, reading the newspaper ads, stopping into real estate offices, or visiting an open house. Today, nearly every buyer has already seen your home online before they even walk through the front door. The role of the open house has not disappeared, but it certainly has changed. For vacation rental properties, that's even more true because buyers spend weeks and sometimes months researching online before they ever board a plane. By the time they arrive on Kauai, they've already narrowed their search to a handful of properties. And when a buyer arrives on Kauai with a list of their favorite properties, they're pretty serious. As a seller, if you rely solely on open houses to sell your property, you could be waiting a very long time to sell. The heart of today's marketing strategy is how your property appears online and where. That's where the biggest shift has taken place, and this is backed up by data. The National Association of Realtors didn't begin tracking this data until the 1980s, but the change over the last 30 years has been significant. In 1995, only 2% of buyers used the internet to search for homes. Open houses, newspapers, yard signs, and real estate agents were the primary ways that buyers discovered properties. In 1997, internet usage jumped to 18%. 2009, about 90% of the buyers were searching online. And by 2018 to 2025, 95 to 97% of buyers use the internet during their home search. Online listings have become the dominant way buyers discover property. 30 years ago, buyers often walked into open houses knowing very little about the home. Today, they have already viewed dozens of photos, read the property description, studied the floor plan, reviewed the tax records, looked at the Google Street View, seen a drone footage or a video tour, compared your home with the competing listings. And increasingly, they're using AI tools like ChatGPT to research neighborhoods, understand HOA fees, compare resorts, or ask questions of the AI even before contacting an agent. The open house has become a confirmation tool rather than a discovery tool. That's why your online presence matters so much. Your buyer is sitting at home saving properties, comparing listings, reading reviews, and researching neighborhoods. That's where your property is being judged first, and that's where your marketing has to be at its very, very best. I hope that you've enjoyed this video and have a great rest of your day. Aloha.